Hi, my name is Paola González. She is Karen Andrea Caro. Today we are going to talk about the third exams, environmental air management. You work in a company dedicated to packing school snack in individual boxes in a warehouse with the following dimension: length 30 meters, wide 20 meters, and height 3.5 meters. The operation generates quite a few food odors, so you decide to design a general ventilation system.
Okay, the conditions of the operation are the following. Number of workers 188. Most tasks are performed standing at the same workstation. To minimize noise, the use of den extractors is established. Define flow rate per extractor following the number of people method and flow rate per extractor following the method of the number of renewal.
Flow rate per extraction following the number of people method. In the table number 1 variable, these values were taken according to the information provided in the exercise. We find the volume of the area by multiplying leg x wide x height. Then we divide the number of workers by the volume of the warehouse. In the table number 2, minimum ventilation required depending of the number of occupants. For the necessary airflow, moderate activity was chosen because the exercise indicates that most of the tasks are performed standing at the same workstation, which meant that the sedentary will not apply because they are not sitting. In the graphic number 1, interpolation with the logarithm graph, the value of the volume per person is not found in the table. It's moved finally by interpolate to have more exact value on the minimum ventilation required depending on the number of occupants. In the table number 3 is the solution. Once graph R is shown in the balls in the equation of the graph, then the volume per person is substituted in the equation to find the total flow rate according to the number of people met. The following rate is multiplied by the safety factor, which is 1.1 to obtain the total flow rate. As the filling the flow rate according to the number of people method, that value is divided by the number of extract. The follow per extracted according to method of the number of people is 526.46 cubic meters per hour.
Okay, then flow rate per extractor following the method of the number of renewals. And table number 4 variables. These values were taken according to the information provided in the exercise. And table number 5 air renewal according to the nature of the premise. And type factories in general, air renewals per hour range 5 and 10. For this case, 7. For air renewals according to the nature of the premise, the Argentine standard was adopted. In the type of premise, general factories were chosen. Signs in the exercise they indicated that it is a company and because the number of workers is 188. It was determined that 7 air renewals would be made per hour. Table number 6 solution. After choosing the number of air changes per hour, this value is divided by the volume of the extracted resulting in the flow rate. The flow rate is multiplied by the safety factor, which is 1.1 to obtain the total flow rate. After Finding the flow rate according method of the number of renewal, that value is divided by the number of extractors. And finally, the flow per extractor according to the method of the number of renewal is 1617 cubic meter for hour. Thank you.
Thank you.